We've got a big experience from Melissa Odom to be in the middle of the pool. And the big kid coming in, the pool